What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now as of right now, for the Nintendo Switch OLED, there's not a whole lot of different accessories and cases out for it, specifically for the OLED model. But I did go ahead and order something from skull&co. It's not their their original skull&co grip case that they normally have, like for the OG Switch. They do now have a version for the OLED, but it's called the Neo Grip. So today we're gonna go ahead and check that out. I know there's already videos on this particular product already. I ordered this a long time ago. It probably took about 3 to 4 weeks for this to actually show up for me. It took a very long time. I don't know if everything that's going on right now with the shipments being stuck, if that had an effect, but I do have it now. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and unbox it today. Before we get into it, go ahead and smash a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and let's go ahead and get into this thing. Now, they do have 2 different bundles for this particular product. You can either get the Neo Grip just by itself, or you can get the Neo Grip bundle that has the carrying case with it as well, which makes it easier for you to keep your grip on your Switch and put it in the case, so that we never really have to take it off. If it's something that you like to use on a regular basis, you don't really use it without the grip anymore, because it is that comfortable, then you got a case now that can allow you to keep the grip on at all times and still keep it in the case, and all your games and all that. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. But first, let's take a look and see what it says on the box here. So this is what the box looks like. Okay, here's the front. It shows you the front, the back, the case. Now, this is the white version. I believe they only have the white version right now. Okay, so I just checked it out. I lied. They do have 2 colors. They got the white, for the brand new white OLED, and they also have the regular Switch colors, the red and the blue grips, and the black back to it. I personally like black better, but I don't like the blue and the red. So I would like for them to come out with an all black version. Would be awesome, so that way I can order that. So on the front of the box, that's what it looks like. On the side of the box, it shows you the 3 different types of triggers that you can use and switch out with this product. On this side of the box, it just shows you how to properly utilize the case itself, the pocket and the game slots and all that stuff. On the back, this is what it looks like on the back here. And it says the Neo Grip bundle for Nintendo Switch. It includes the Neo Grip body, the carrying case, snap grip, trigger grip, and the plus grip. Alright, and then it just shows you how to properly put your Switch in the grip case itself. Carrying case, it says huge storage capacity, in-case charging. That's pretty cool. I'll have to check that out. And then it gives you 10 game slots. So there are cases out there that give you more than 10, but if you're really about keeping your grip on, this is definitely a case to go with. There's also a pouch slot where you can also have a small little carrying case for your other games, because they sell a lot of those on Amazon. There's like 10 ones you can get for $10 that keep all your games, and you can flip through them or whatever. So I'll leave a link for that down below for you guys, just in case that's something you guys want to check out if you got more than 10 games. It also says adjustable stand inside the case, so you can prop your Switch up. If you don't want to use your stand or whatever, and you want to use your case instead, there's prop slots in there so you can prop it up. And it just has their handles, you know, their social media handles in the back, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and open this thing up, huh? I'm excited actually. It took a very long time for this to come in, like I said before, and I'm really a huge fan of Skull&Co. They make really good quality products, and I love the other grip before, and I had to actually give that to one of my family members because, you know, with the OLED it doesn't fit the original grip, and the original Skull&Co grip, so I had to give that one away, unfortunately. So hopefully they come out with the same type of colors or an all black. Alright, so inside the case, it's inside the box itself here, you got your case, and you got a couple of trigger grips on the side here. So here's the case, and then here's your grips. Alright, so we'll put the box off to the side here, and then I think I'm going to switch the camera downward so you guys can see what's going on below here. Alright, so as you can see, here are your big boy grips. Here's your case. Beautiful, beautiful case. Bigger than the other one that I have for sure, but it's got very, very good quality fabric. It also has the Skull&Co logo here on the side, as you can see, and then your zippers have the awesome Skull logo on it as well. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we're working with. Alright, so it does come with instructions on how to set this bad boy up if you want to prop it up inside the case itself. Let's see, it also shows you how to use your power bank while having it in the case. Alright, so before we get into the pockets, you know, below the flap you're going to have the grip itself. Pretty good packaging. Now here's your grip. High quality grip. And then on the inside here it's got your instructions on how to actually put it in and how to use it properly. Now as you can see, it has adjustments here, so you can use this on your old Switch if you want to, or you know, you keep it for your OLED as well. So if you have two different Switches, if you have your old one and your new one, you can still use the same grip on it. Now this little piece here on the top, that's going to be, you know, for extra support, so that way it keeps it locked in there. You don't really need it, but I found it to be a lot more helpful to keep it in there, because then, you know, if you're, you know, out and about and you're doing things and you're still carrying it, you really just don't want it to slip out, then you just put that support on there and you're good to go. Put that off to the side for a second, and then on the inside here are your small. So now you got, you know, you got your small, your medium, and your large grips. Each one's got a different design to it, a different comfortability depending on how big or small your hands are. And the case itself doesn't have a zipper like the one I have does, but it's got this overlapping pocket flap that will keep your products in there secure. And then you also have your 10 game card slot here. Sorry, the lighting's a little weird right now. And then there is your propping shelves. It's very deep, so you can keep your grip in there, and you can keep other items like your power bank or, you know, whatever in there. Now let's go ahead and test this product with our actual OLED switch. Now this is my OLED. Beautiful, beautiful device. As you can see, I have a skin on my Joy-Cons here, which is the Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh skin. If you guys want the same thing, you think it's pretty cool, you want to pick it up for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below for you. This is actually for the OG Switch, but I decided to use it for my OLED. And it comes with a dock sticker, you know, it comes with, you know, a sticker for the back of this here. As you guys already probably know, the back of the OLED is much different than the original Switch, so couldn't use that one. But it still looks sweet. If you want to pick it up, like I said, I'll leave a link below for you. And now to put the system in the grip, you have to, it says, take one Joy-Con off. First, let's take the support out. Slide one side in. You got to be careful because there are rubber pads here, so it's going to be a little bit of a pain. You want to make sure that's all the way in the corner there, just like that. Then you slide the other side in, and you might not get it your first time because it is kind of a pain. And then click. There you have it. Beautiful. It feels great. It looks great. Even though I'm not a huge fan of white, the white does look awesome with the Starry Night skin, big screen OLED, amazing device. I'm definitely enjoying it myself. Now this thing fits in here perfectly. Look at this. Look at how perfect this fits in there with the grip on the bigger OLED. That's how much of a bigger case this is. And it's not overly big where you're going to be like, wow, you know, this is almost too much to carry. It's perfect. Now after I've had a little bit of time with this product, I will probably take about a month or two to really use it and really get to know the product and get a feel for it, and then I'll do an updated video for you guys, you know, explaining what I think and if I feel like it's, you know, worth spending the extra amount of dollars on this accessory. But in my opinion, because there's not a whole lot of different grips and accessories out for this product, this is definitely something to consider if you're somebody that likes to play, you know, hours on end. Now, if you're somebody that regularly watches this channel and you want to see more unboxing videos or tech videos, let me know in the comments below. Smash the like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.